When they launched for the 2016 model year, the 10th generation Honda Civic Sedan and Coupe made a lot of jaws drop. Stunning style combined with eye-opening performance and ahead-of-the-curve technology to make this Civic one of the most successful vehicles in the market and in Honda history. For 2019, the Civic Sedan and Coupe lineups get a big jolt of energy to make it even more fun, inside and out. It includes fresh styling cues, updated features, and even greater sophistication. Let's start our discovery with the trims. Both Sedan and Coupe begin with LX models and add new sport trims next. They're powered by a 2.0-liter engine. The rest of the models raise the performance stakes with the 1.5-liter turbocharged power plant, starting with the EX trims. The Civic Sedan is offered an EXL trim for 2019 as well. And both body styles top out with the exceptionally well-equipped touring models. Every 2019 Civic Sedan and Coupe trim, except for the SI models, will come with the Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver-assistive features as standard equipment. Note that the Civic Si Sedan and Coupe will continue to accelerate heart rates for the 2019 model year, carrying over largely unchanged. Civic's widely praised styling gets sharpened even further for 2019, starting with a revised grille, front fascia, and headlight design. The sport trims receive exclusive black painted accents up front. And then there's the wheels. Every trim gets some refreshment, including SI-derived 18-inch alloys on touring. And the sport trims roll on the SI-style 18-inch wheels with uniquely painted inserts. And low-profile tires from the SI as well. In back, sedan models get an updated look along the bottom edge. And additional standout features on the Sport include a very cool center outlet exhaust, as well as a black deck lid spoiler on sedan models. Civic's exterior color palette has been refreshed as well. For the Coupe, Energy Green Pearl has been replaced by Tonic Yellow Pearl. Of the sedan choices, Molten Lava Pearl replaces Burgundy Night Pearl. And for either body style, Platinum White Pearl takes the place of both White Orchid Pearl and Taffeta White. Even the accessory lineup has been re-energized to help make each Civic a unique expression of its owner's imagination. Items include grille and door accents in 3 vibrant colors, underbody spoilers, distinctive alloy wheels, and more. If you'd like to see what's inside and under the skin of this beautiful Civic, check out our other videos where you found this one. There's also lots of info at civic.honda.com. Or go straight to the source and have a look at the 2019 Civic at your nearest Honda dealer.